haven't hula hooping yet. I can't. Oh, Lord. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Glamour Queen Rayo, and I'm back at it again with another video. Today is gonna be a vlog. We are on our way to the bar. My friend here, Daisha. Hello. Then I got my mom here in the cut, and we're gonna go eat at the bar. You know, chill, vibe. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see you guys when we get there. So we just got here. The scenery is so beautiful. Scenery is so beautiful. Yeah, like we just got here, guys. We are here by the Tiki bar. Oh my gosh. I hope this food is tasty because my friend is hyping it up. She's like, oh my gosh, it tastes so good. So we're gonna see. So the line is kind of long. So, you know, people are starving out here, you know? I don't know how they're gonna have us waiting for our food. Look at her, that goofy. So right now we're looking at the menu, and lo and behold, look at the first thing on this list. Fried alligator. I don't know who eat that, but I ain't eating that. I'm looking for some kind of shrimp or something like this. Hey guys, so we here at the Tiki bar. You know the vibes. Food looking poppin'. Tastes good. Yeah, like the scenery is so beautiful. Come on now. And you know, we about to chow down because we starving. We just hit here. You got the karaoke over there, playing the guitar. Anybody that knows me know everywhere I go, Shirley Temple. And everywhere I go, it's fettuccine and Alfredo and shrimp. The only time you see me changing it up is if they don't got no shrimp, they don't got no fettuccine.
And Marcia was going to take it over, but then at the last minute, Brittany decided to come back. And then she found out that a month was
them Gina gonna ride your bunker, but keep having this like thunder. Better.
I haven't hula hooping yet.